Discovering passion. How do you discover passion? See, typically we all caught in this world, where we are influenced by our environment, we are influenced by the society. So we have typically taken, whatever has come to us because, it is something, which our elders have shown us the way. Our parents have advised us that no, we should go into this stream, or maybe you got very good marks, and your parents, your teachers, everybody feels you need to go into that stream. So that's how you've landed into a college or a stream which you are currently in. And typically this is the case with everybody. We do not look at, are we good at that? Is that something I really want to do? Do I enjoy that? This has not been the scenario. Typically, we've just been following the herd mentality. We've been adopted to the system, where the water flows, we follow. So we get floated. So what happens is, initially, yes, it's a little bit of struggle. You jump, manage, go on, and what happens is there comes a point in time, where you start not really enjoying your job. You feel you don't want to do this job, or there is too much peer pressure, or there is pressure at your workplace. You're not enjoying the job you're doing. So there are a lot of situations which forces you, and you ultimately get into a situation of stress. I just want to ask you something. Have you ever bought a chair? No? Yes? Great. What do you do when you buy a chair? You sit on it, right? You sit on it and see. It's the same chair. Every chair has 4 legs. It's possibly the design and the comfort and the cushioning. Is there anything beyond that? No, right? It could be an online purchase, but ultimately when it comes home, when it is delivered, you will sit on it and you will experience it, right? So I just want to ask you, if it is to do with your career options, your career choices, why don't you find your passion and follow that? And how do you find the passion? You need to sit on different chairs. Experience 3, 4, 5 chairs. While you stick to one stream, experience 3, 4, 5 chairs. See where your passion lies. See where your interest lies. Go for that. I think that's what will take you to your passion. That's what is going to avoid the future hiccups. You get what I say? It's very important. Very important that you understand your innate abilities, your intelligence in the life areas, and get into a path which is something which you have been made for. Each one of us are unique. We just can't be the same, right? Do not follow the same. There are a lot of opportunities. It's just that you need to make a conscious effort. See, there was a time when nothing was available, so we had to go with that. But today, when there is an opportunity, today when the world has opened up, today with the digital explosion, with so much of information available, I think it's better you choose a career path. You choose the way to choose your passion is very clearly defined. Go for it. Do not compromise. You would like to know more? You should connect with us. This is Krishnan from Aspiring Minds, and we are on a mission to help parents, youth, students, working professionals to identify their multiple intelligence through psychometric analysis and mapping, and we help you understand your learning behaviors, your persona, so that you can work on that and follow a path which is made for you. So looking forward to, I hope you like this piece of information. Have a great day.